Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I am telling you 7 things you must do in the monsoon season. The rains are already started, and there's the plants are growing well. But if excess rain is there, there may be some problem in plants. They may be dying off due to some fungal attack, some root rot, and several problems. I'll be telling you 7 tips you must follow in this entire rainy season, and if you follow these 7 tips, your plants will be very healthy, and you will be see the beautiful growth in your the all the monsoon season. First tip I am going to give you: when the rain is over, decant the stagnant water in your pots or containers. You will see that many pots the water is stored here, water is stagnant here. You have to decant the water time to time, because many of the pots the soil may not be of that porous or oil drained soil. There may be some clay soil and water is stored on the pots, and you have to decant. This is the soil is oil drained soil. There may not be any problem in oil drained soil, but those plants potted in clay soil, there may be some problem due to may not be hole at the bottom or blocked. If the regular rainwater is occurring, there is rain, heavy rain, then you make turn down the pots, and they may be nice. And if regularly check the hole at the bottom, if it is blocked by the roots, what you do is to make take some screwdriver and make hole some arrangements, just push it inside and make hole again, in order to allow water to pass from the bottom. And if there is not occurring water, you make some pierce some holes in the soil with some screwdrivers or some sharp things, and so as to there may be water drainage, proper drainage, and the water will be go down directly to the bottom hole. So these are the things you have to do to avoid the excess water. If you are using some trays in the pot, remove the trays, because in rainy season you don't need any trays at all at the bottom, and they will be storing water, and there may be some root rot in excess water. So just remove the trays from the bottom of the pot. The second thing you have to do is to remove all the dead leaves that are deposited on the pot. You have to remove all the dead and all the dried leaves and all. They will be decomposed, and they will be attacked by the fungus, and they in turn they will affect the plants, and the fungal will attack your plants also. So you have to remove all the dead leaves and twigs, and whatever the dead twigs are there in your spent leaves and twigs are there, you have to cut off there and remove all the dead twigs and leaves. And this is a soft pruning, and soft pruning is nice in this rainy season, because there will be vigorous growth if the soft pruning is done properly. And if the spent some of the twigs are removed, then new branches will come out, and as a result your new growth will be occurring. And this is the fungal attack. You see, you have to remove the twigs which are infected by any kind of fungus, and you have to remove all the old and dead leaves from here. This is the best thing you have to do in rainy season. Point number 3, you have to apply fungicide every week. Once in a week you have to apply fungicide, maybe chemical fungicide or organic fungicide. Here you see this is a chemical fungicide named SAF. This is a combination of systemic and contact fungicide. There are many brands fungicide in the market, maybe Babistin, Score, Rodomil Gold, and any kind of hexaconazole or tebuconazole. Many types of fungicide are available. You can use any one, and if you don't want use any kind of chemical fungicide, there are organic fungicide called this Trichoderma viridi. This is totally organic. You can use that one also. Now I am showing you how to use the fungicide. Take 5 liters water in a jerry can and use, this is a sprayer, and use 1 teaspoonful of fungicide here, and mix it well very nicely, and then pour on the plants. Drench the plants wholly. Total plants you have to drench, and they will work nicely, and there won't be any kind of fungal infection, because fungal infection is the major reason for plants dying in rainy season. So you have to apply once in a week. Friends, point number 4 is you have to apply insecticide, any type of insecticide once in 10 days or 15 days. This is the combination of chloropyrifos and cypermethrin. Any kind of, this is the imidacloroprid or acetamiprid. Many types of chemicals are. This is organic theta, and some are other chemical insecticide extra, or many are insecticide. I am showing you how to apply it. Take around 1 ml, 1 milliliter. 1 milliliter is around 20 drops. So you have to take 20 drops of this insecticide in 1 liter of water. Mix it well and spray on the plants in once in 10 days or 15 days, because the rainy season is the mostly the insects attack in rainy season, and many plants are died due to the plants insects attack. So you have to apply insecticide. If you don't want to use any kind of chemical insecticide, I'll tell you some homemade recipe also, where you can make your own insecticide and you can apply them. So you have to spray once in 10 days or 15 days insecticide, and you can kill every kind of insects in your plants, and plants will not be affected. Point number 5, if you are not willing to apply any kind of chemical insecticide or fungicide, you can make your own homemade insecticide and fungicide at the same time. You can apply neem oil. Neem oil is easily available in the shops and especially in the nurseries, and use some baking soda, not the baking powder, baking soda you can use, apply. And then you have to apply this liquid soap, any kind of hand wash or dishwash or any kind of liquid soap you can use, and take around 1 liter of water, and in 1 liter of water mix all these three items. This is a sprayer here I am using here, and taking around 5 milliliter of this neem oil. So this is the spoon of around 3 ml. So I am taking 5 ml of neem oil. Neem oil are easily available. This is the best insecticide and fungicide, and apply around 3 ml of liquid soap. I am taking 3 ml of liquid soap and mixing it with this water here, and then mix it well. And this is I am mixing the liquid soap. Now I will be applying around 3 to 4 gram of this baking soda, sodium bicarbonate baking soda. This is available in the kitchen. You can get it any grocery store. Baking soda, not the baking powder, baking soda. I am applying. This is controls nicely the fungus. They control the fungus very nicely. Now mix it, shake it well, and then you can spray. And every kind of fungus or insects you can see in rainy season, they will take care of easily, nicely. I am shaking it properly, then I am applying it. Many people ask me which sprayer I use. This is a Lotus 1250. This cost around 200 rupees in our local market, and any kind of sprayer you can use. So now I am applying in this plant here, and you can apply in 7 days. In every 7 day you apply this mixture, and the plants will be fine, and there won't be any kind of insect attack or fungal attack. This is a totally risk free, and this is a homemade solution. You can apply in tulsi or in flower plant, aparajita, many plants you can use. A nice one. This is the excellent thing. So friends, point number 6 is how to control ants. Many of people complain about the ants. There is severe attack of ants in your plants. Sometimes they eat up your roots of the plants also. So how to control them? Simple thing I am telling you. You can buy some boric acid. This is boric acid and boric powder. It's also called boric powder. You can get it in any chemist shop or medicine shop. Just ask for boric powder or boric acid, and this is very cheap also. And just see how I am showing you. This is a white powder, and take around half teaspoonful of powder for around 10 inches pot, and sprinkle on the soil, and you will see that every ant will run away. And this is very nice for plants also. Boron is nice for plants. They will make the soil acidic also. This is very excellent thing for controlling ants in your plants. So you must apply boric acid for controlling ants in your containers. So friends, point number 7 is how to control earthworms. Usually earthworm is very beneficial for the plants, and soil also. But if the container is full of earthworms, there may be some problem in earthworm. So many people ask me how to control earthworm in pots. So I am showing you, this is the carbofuran or furadon. This is a chemical available in the agricultural shop or nurseries. You can see, take around a quarter teaspoonful of carbofuran for around 10-inch pot, and if you can apply this for in around 10-inch pot, your all the earthworms will be gone. So I am showing you how to apply. Just loosen the soil and flip up the soil and apply it, and there won't be any earthworm problem in your pot. So this is all. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I am going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. And there are many videos in my channel. Please check out my channel, because many gardening tips and tricks are available in the there. Some flowering plants, fruiting plants, foliage plants, vegetable plants, everything. So thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.